Hi, welcome to Nellie's Nook. My name is Nellie, and today I will share with you how I created a scoring tools for myself. I know that lots of you already have a scoring tools. They are pretty expensive, and especially if you have to ship them. I don't have one, and it is expensive just to find somebody just to do it for you. So what I figured out, I bought in Dollarama the cheapest rulers I could find. It's a plastic ruler, so you can see $1.25, and I created scoring tools for myself. So I have a different depth on them. This one is 1.2 centimeters, this one is 2.3 centimeters, and this one is only this one is 1.5 centimeter. So as you can see, I already scored a book with one of my tools, and it looks pretty perfect. Like, I have no problem, and they are very easy to use. Also, when I'm using my scoring tool, I can use my scoring tool literally to the last page of my book, which a lot of scoring tools have a problem with it. Just because they have a little lip that just doesn't fit to the last page. But when I'm scoring with my little tool, it literally stops right at the last page, and it doesn't go anywhere. Like, it's just perfect, simple, but absolutely perfect. So I can score my last page without lifting anything, and just going through it, and it's just a perfect fold. So I'll show you just how easy it is, and how inexpensive this idea is. So they have 3 rulers for $1.25. So I bought 2 packages, so I have an even number, and you can mix the colors as you want. I guess I will do blue and blue this time. And just because I use everything in millimeters, I will be gluing together the inches side. So put them back to each other, so the sides are flat. I have a little super glue, and you can do the depth of the connectors whatever you like. Here, it doesn't really matter, because they will be the same on each side, and they are pretty sturdy when they are together. So just make sure that they are on each side, they will be the same. Even if you are a little bit off, the book will be scored, each page will be scored the same way, so you will probably not notice if it's like a 0.5 millimeter difference. So I'll just mark my my rulers and see what depth I want to connect them with, and I will probably do this one just for the half a centimeter, which is over here. So if you can see, it will, my connectors will be up to here, because that will make this little marker is a 0.5 centimeter on difference from the edge. So you take, if you like measuring in inches, do it opposite way. All the book folding is, I have all the book foldings in millimeters, so I like to work in millimeters, so I will not have anything in inches. So I will be connecting this little ruler up to the line under the numbers, just between, like, the halves, because these ones have a numbers, so these ones are very visible, so they will be very easy very easy to connect, and I will have a scoring tool that is half a millimeter deep. Yes, you have to have more of them if you do it this way. If you have a scoring tool, then you will have one that has more options in one. But I don't have it in my area, so we will do it this way. I got a little package of super glue, and you just have to make sure that when you attaching it, that you attach it just once and correctly. So that's the little bit fishy part, because the super glue is sticky pretty. It will stick very quick. Sorry. So let's see what will come out. All right, and we will be attaching them right where my numbers are. Just wait for a couple of seconds, it will dry up, and my tool is done. And this one is exactly half a centimeter. It's wonderful. It's wonderful. So now I can take a book. This is my practice book. So I have lots of stuff over here. And you can use any scoring tool that you use for your scoring. I have a little tool like this, or you can use a pen that doesn't work anymore, because nobody will see it anyway, so it will score. And if you have a pen that doesn't work, it will score the same way. Just don't know where I have my pen without ink working. But as you can see, make sure that you have a book straight all the time, and you can score right away, and it's a beautiful straight line without any problems. But if I want a different one, I'll just take a different depth and do the different depth. So I have two score line right there with no problems. So it's just a easy, cheap solution for those who do not have a scoring tools. Hope it will help. Take care, and I'll see you next time.